Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Callie Cat is sitting in the chair next to me. Well, I should have turned the whole light. There she is. Woo, look at that messed up vanity. Y'all, today we have something new. Now, 100% disclosure, I have no idea how I found this company. I cannot remember for the life of me. And I don't know if they reached out to me, if I reached out to them after I saw them on social media. I don't know how this happened, but interesting. This is a jewelry kind of subscription deal. It's very interesting, very new. I think it is a newer company. And this is the Nikola Valinti Inspired Collection. It's jewelry. Now what happened was, and y'all can do this too, by the way, you go to their website and you get to pick your first piece of jewelry free. You can either get earrings, a bracelet, or a necklace. And they'll show you what it is so you know what's coming to you. All they ask is for $1 worth of shipping fee. Now, after that, when you get your first piece, they're gonna send you 2 other pieces in this box or bag. Now, you get to look at those. You get to decide for 25 days. You get to try this jewelry out and decide if you want to keep it or if you want to send it back. And it's only, what was it? It's only $24.99 a piece. So if you keep the other 2 pieces, you're only going to be out $50. I think that's pretty good for 2 pieces of jewelry nowadays, depending on the quality. Now keep in mind, I have not opened this. I have no idea of the quality. I don't know much about the company, but the earrings, the necklace, the bracelets, whatever piece is supposed to have a $99 value on it. Now the thing is, they make their own jewelry, they design it, they do all that stuff, so they're kind of cutting out the middleman and they're just selling it directly to us, and that's supposedly why we're getting it so much cheaper than if it was actually bought somewhere else. Now after, I think it's seven or so weeks, they're gonna send you 2 more pieces. So that's where the kind of a subscription comes in. And then you can decide, like I said, for the 25 or so more days, if you wanna keep them or if you wanna send them back. The second bag you get, the shipping will go up to $5.96. So that's just for the shipping cost. And then of course, if you decide to keep it, you will have to pay for what you keep. So interesting. You can also cancel at any time. So I don't know. I'm hoping this isn't some kind of scam. If I were you, I would wait and see what the next few months hold for me. So that way we will know if it's a scam or not before you actually go and buy anything. Well, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what it's like. And, you know, I'm not a jewelry expert, but I will tell you, you know, what I think of it just by looking at it. And one of these days, I want to find somebody who can appraise the jewelry for me so I can actually see if what these places are giving me is worth what they're saying. I haven't got there yet. I'm trying real hard, y'all, but you know, agoraphobia is hard for you to leave your house without having a panic attack, or to be in a crowd without having a panic attack. And sometimes even thinking about leaving will give you a panic attack. So yeah, I'm a lot better than I used to be, but I'm still not 100% yet. I'm working on it. Working on it real hard. And I got friends who are helping me work on it too. So anyway, they all came in this cute little drawstring baggie with the logo on it, which is very interesting. I actually, when I first looked at it, thought it was a bird because this does look like wings, but this almost looks like a tulip or something on the inside. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. Who knows? So it's packed in little foamies. Is this a bag? Yes, it's a little foamy bag. And oh, these are cute little dainty earrings. Cute little dainty earrings. Look at these, y'all. And I do believe these were one of the choices you could get for free. But I think I picked the bracelet. I'm not really sure, honestly. They do have just the little plastic backing on the, what do you call it, the stem, is that correct? Very cute, very cute, very sparkly, very pretty. I'll see if I can get some closer up pictures of these that show a little more detail than what I have here. Let's look at the paperwork. Maybe that tells me what's going on in the world. So there's that. Lots of tiny writing here. It says these are white gold plated water drop stud earrings. It looks like all the choices that I could have got for free is what they sent. So I'm thinking I already know what all these look like. But I'll have to look into it and see which one I actually get to keep for free. Because if I keep the wrong one, that wouldn't be good now, would it? Okay, the bracelet is the one I'm getting for free. I was thinking it was. I just wanted to make sure because I don't want to be, you know, who wants to get confused? Okay, so here is the bracelet. And like I said, I don't remember doing this. I don't even know why I chose the bracelet over the earrings or the necklace. Maybe I thought I could get more use out of it. Look at the cute square detail of it. It is very darling. Let me see if I can actually, it says $9.25 on there, which is, what is that, the sterling silver, I think. Silver plated square link bracelet. Let's see if I can put it on. I did it. Oh my goodness. Very cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Do I think it was worth $100? I just don't know about all that. So let's look at the last piece of this collection. And this is the necklace. And in the picture, I actually thought it was going to be a little bigger. But it's very cute, very dainty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is white gold plated Australian blue jewel necklace. I hope it is showing for you. It is very pretty. There is the clasp, by the way. So you can see it's one of those little claw foot thingamabobbies. Should I put the earrings on too? We'll put the earrings on too. We've got to try them out properly. All right, so what do we think? Do you think I should pay the $24.99 a piece to keep the necklace and the earrings, or just keep the bracelet and send everything else back? I think it is very cute, but I want to know what y'all think. So please comment below. Tell me what you think about the jewelry, if you think it looks good quality or not. Like I said, I will try to take some closer up pictures. I'll either put them over here on the side or put them at the end. It depends on what's going on. But thank you so very much for spending time with me. Please don't forget to press all those buttons below. Give this video a big thumbs up, please. I appreciate it. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. It's free to subscribe to me. And if you press the notification bell, it lets you know when I put out new videos and what's going on the channel. There's also a little button down there called share. So what that does is it actually links this video on your social media. You can email it, you can text it, whatever you want to do. And I appreciate if you do that to help spread the word about the channel. Thank you so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.